To restore a backup within CenterPoint, you can simply go to File, Restore, Restore Backup. If you do currently have a database open, it will have you close that database. The server here will default, but it can be changed if you're moving to a new SQL server. The next option here would be to go ahead and browse for your database that you wish to restore. You can certainly change the database name here so you do not overwrite your existing database. It is helpful if you are learning new functions of the program or doing a little bit of testing here. So I will go ahead and rename this. If you do have user files that were backed up, they will go ahead and be restored here as well. So you can simply click this restore button. It will give you a warning that if there is another database of this name, it will go ahead and overwrite that. Once the restore is completed successfully, you can simply go in and open up that database, which I have here as the sample restore 1 that we had just restored from our backup. Other options in the restore would allow you to go ahead and restore user files if you were in a network. Again, it's going to ask me to go ahead and close this. So this would go ahead and allow me to browse and select specific user files. It will also allow you to restore any of your Atrix history if you do have payroll data within the system. So if I go in and select this restore Atrix history, it will allow me to go ahead and restore that history for my Atrix data as well. It will overwrite the existing history data. Again, it is giving me a warning here. And if you'd have files in a file repository, you can certainly restore those as well by selecting Restore File Repository. As we had seen in other backup scenarios, I can simply hit Browse here, Restore, and it will go ahead and restore those as well.